The time just flies. I don't know when the morning begins, when the afternoon happens, and just it's the evening and the end of the day, and there's still so much to do. How many of you are going through this problem right now? Well, I can assure you, most of us. Now, I'm going to be quickly sharing with you some quick tips which you can start implementing right from today, which is going to be helping you to utilize your time better. Well, in the last few days, I've been talking to a lot of my clients and my friends who've been constantly cribbing on the fact that they just don't have time, and there's so much they need to do throughout the day, and it's just the work is just not getting over. Well, first of all, let's accept the fact that these are uncertain times with uncertain routines. None of us would have lived a routine like this for a very long time. Only Saturday and Sundays were the days while like that, which used to happen before the lockdown. So coming back to the first is acceptance. Let's accept the reality. Now the number two thing is, the real question which we really need to ask ourselves is, are we busy in reality, or are we busy in mind? Because most of the times you're constantly thinking, I need to do this, I need to do that, and then I need to take care of that, and then I have to take care of this, because of which we are constantly imposing a lot of pressure on our head that there's a huge list of tasks which needs to be accomplished. Now the most important part here to understand is that this leads to, because of so much of pressure, so much of clutter in the head, we work in a cluttered way, and this leads to cluttered focus. Now whenever you do anything in a completely haphazard way, which is going to be a cluttered focus, the results are also going to be cluttered, and because of which all the time you'll feel as if you have done enough, but you haven't still done enough. How many of you are going through this? So the first and the foremost thing which we need to say is, remember the 6 P's. Planning. You really need to plan for your day in advance, and remember this, the 6 P's is perfect prior planning prevents poor performance. Yeah, that's the 6 P's, which means to find a solution to this problem, all you need is a pen and paper. Yeah, all you need is a pen and paper. So this is what you're going to be doing for yourself right from today. Tonight you need to sit down with a pen and paper, not in your mind, not in your head, not talking to your friend, to a friend or anyone in the family. You need to do this for yourself on a pen and paper, wherein you're going to be writing for yourself that what are the different kinds of tasks you're going to be accomplishing the next day, and in what order would you like to complete them. Please pen them down. Do not just keep the thing in mind. And 10 minutes of this time spent on planning is going to be helping you to save, can help you to save 2 hours of your time, which you are actually spending because of the poor planning and going in a cluttered way, doing one work, doing something with the home, and then work, office work, then home, then office work, and the complete tiredness. It's not the reality of not the tiredness in reality, but it's the tiredness in the mind of constant switching and not using the focus in a right way. So 10 minutes of your time every night, that's all. Just sit down, make a new diary, write down in it what are going to be the list of tasks which you're going to be accomplishing the next day. You can play an 80-20% rule, wherein 20% of the new set of tasks can come randomly on the next day as well. So just keep a buffer, but major ones you can still plan for a day in advance. So do it for yourself and see the magical difference you could see in planning your whole day, and I can assure you, the running of things in the mind, you will really save yourself a lot. See, the worst use of time is to do something really well which wasn't even supposed to be done, and that's what we are doing, many of us are ending up doing. So do not fall into the trap of being a perfectionist or doing everything to the T. Just aim at accomplishing the work, the tasks which are supposed to be done, and helping you in moving forward and not tiring you in your mind or in your head. I hope you found this useful. This is Shruti Chaudhary, personal branding and mind coach, signing off from here. If you like this, this tip or secret, share your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.